Alright, good day class. We want to look at a public sector accounting or government accounting, and our topic is how to prepare transcripts and voucher. We'll be back. Let's take the step one by one before we come back to look at a major format of a transcript. Alright, now the following were discussed in one of our last classes, and we talk about the so I was saying that transcript is known as a receipt and payment or income and expenditure account prepared monthly by a ministry or a department of government. So in this class, we want to show you the steps or stages by which or requirements that must be met for transcript to be prepared altogether. Alright, now a typical transcript must be prepared at the end of every month. The first step, I'm going to list out the items you needed to do or the requirement for a transcript to be valid. One, the preparer must obtain the cash book used for the month by the ministry. Two, obtain the vouchers posted into the cash book. Three, cross-check the vouchers posted into the cash book to ascertain that there are no errors of omissions, errors of commission, principals, complete reversal, etc. Those errors normally that affect trial balance and those that do not affect trial balance, we need to take note of that. Number 4, one need to calculate or cast or take addition of the cash book to ascertain the arithmetic accuracy of the balances. Remember, a cash book has 2 columns, majorly 2 columns, the bank column and the cash column. Can we continue? Next we have is pre-listing the vouchers. The next is that we pre-list the vouchers and ensure that a schedule is prepared using the head and subhead. When we say head and subhead in accounting of government, we mean the department or the object in accounting or the item that is responsible for the cost altogether. Then confirm the accuracy of the schedules that you have made. Let's take the next steps. Alright, the next step is that you must post the total of each schedule into the transcript, and the balance of the transcript should be agreed with the closing balance of the cash book. That's what we talk about transcript. Let's look at the format of a transcript and we'll come back to look at how to prepare a voucher. Alright, this is a typical format of a transcript. Let's look at it carefully. The Ministry of Education, I'm not mentioning any country, but it may be a state, it could be a country, it could be a local government. Transcript for the month of January 2022. Let's assume we are using Nigeria. We have 12 columns, head, subhead, particular, amount, and then subtotal and total. Move ahead, we look at head again, subhead, particular, and total. Take note that the first side is the debit side and the credit side. Again, it can be called the receipt side and the payment side. I've told you that a transcript is either defined as a receipt and payment account or an income and expenditure account. Let's quickly look at how to prepare voucher and we close. Thank you. Now, there are three major types of voucher. That is used. We have payment voucher, receipt voucher, and then adjustment voucher. Let's look at basic content of a valid payment voucher. We have a list of them up to 12. We have payment dates, or date of payment, amount in words and figure, description of payment, classification, code, which is classified as head and subhead, supporting document, e.g., the LPO, that is the local purchase order, invoice, etc. The voucher number, which will be written voucher PV number so, as may be given to us by the structure of the organization or the accounting department, name and address of the payee, signature of the officer in charge of expenditure, signature of the payee, signature of the cashier, and the voucher certificate. The voucher certificate shall contain prepared by, checked by, posted into the vote book by, and signed by. And the final item there is the check number. Please note that there are types of vouchers that must contain stamped by, enter into vote by the officer in charge of expenditure, or else such voucher will not be approved. Ladies and gentlemen, follow me up. My name is Richworld. I represent Speedysuccess Professional. Please subscribe, like our videos, and you want all the permanent class lectures or you want training for your staffs, call 0814-842-1111. We will be at your service any state in Nigeria and local government. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a nice time.